Psalms 19:1-4 states the following words: "The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament shows his handiwork. Day unto day utters speech, and night unto night shows knowledge. There is no speech nor language where their voice is not heard. Their line is gone out through all the earth, and their words to the end of the world." While Romans 1:20 tells us this, "For the invisible things of God, his eternal power and divinity, are clearly understood by the creation of the world and by the things that are made, so that there is no excuse." So, from 2 verses we can gather that God shows for his glory and majestic power the sights and sound of his creative work. Science now, through a means called sonification, now allows us to hear from his created work. It uses electromagnetic, gravitational, and radio waves that were detected from creation and convert them into sound. Please listen now to various planets, stars, and other outer world oddities.